Baylor St. Medical Center has a long-standing history of excellence in cardiovascular medicine. As a matter of fact, our heart transplant and lung transplant program are one of the largest and most advanced transplant program in the country, if not in the world. I'm a cardiac surgeon at the Baylor St. Medical Center with special expertise in minimally invasive robotic heart surgery and heart transplant. We have the most advanced generation of robotic technology, and then with enhanced visualization 3D image, we can see the details of the anatomy of the valve structure, vessel structures, so that the patient will have less complications. When many other places give up on patients, you always have a second chance. At Baylor St. Medicine, we can do a lot of things that is unachievable in the other average medical hospitals. From very fine, minimally invasive robotic technology to the total artificial heart, we have it all here.